Alright, we're back with a little night vision. Got the outside lights on. And just got the full panel in. You can see I put some blocks on the bottom to hold it up. And I'm taping it up. Give it a little more support. And then I'm going to go for this side panel. Or maybe the bottom. Let's see. Alright, I think the bottom is the smart move. It's just that I don't know if it goes this way or this way. We'll figure it out. Hold on. Okay, this side's pretty smooth, as you can see. You know, it's not as jagged as this side. See that big hunk right there? Well, that would be an identifying feature that would allow us to know where it came from. And let's check out the other posts. Okay, I don't see any cracks along this edge right here that would fit with that shark tooth that's sticking out on this side. See that? Right there, shark tooth. So I'm guessing it's gonna go like this. Let's try it. Alright, it's looking a little better. Yeah, I think we'll put the final piece here and then start using the metal straps. Thanks for joining me on the second video. It got dark on me. Ran out of film. So made some space and now I'm back. We'll try to finish this thing up tonight. See you in a bit. Hold on. Be right back. Alright, I grabbed this lid for a can here and I'm going to try to shine some light onto... Oh, it's working pretty good. You see that crack? That's that shark tooth I was talking about. So it does. It fits right on this side. I'm going to line it up, put some straps on it. Let's see how it goes. Alright, back on the other side. You can see how nice this fits. And the shark tooth is on the other side of this. And I think I'm going to throw one of these clamps on right now. So you put the clamp on. It's got plenty of holes for the screws, which are right here. Self-tapping. So they make their own hole. And then they screw into it. You want to tape it up there. Get it mocked up. And I think I'm going to put this one in right now before we put the other post, the last post in. Alright, let's give it a try. Okay, I got this one started. I just finish it off. Just press this right here and then nice and easy. There you go. There's the first one. Alright, you can see I got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's pretty secure. So I know at least it'll hold up while I'm fixing the rest of it. And it's still kind of loose, as you can see. Which I think I like. Gives it a little bit of flexibility against the wind. And it'll also help me fit that last piece and give me some wiggle room. Here we go. So you can see also that the strap is in the bottom, on the left bottom. And it seems to be that it probably has to be that way in order to connect the last and final piece. And it'll latch on right here because this side is very loose, you know. It could go back and forth. That's the swing of the gate. Yeah, so your first strap is going to go on the bottom left. And all we got to do is just fit this last piece. Here we go. Okay, just noticed another shark tooth on the other side of this gate for the final post. You know, it reminds me of how they must put the accidents back